Hello students, so today's point of discussion is determination of activation energy. Now activation energy of reaction is very crucial thing, and that help us to predict whether the reaction occur with rapid rate or not. Remember, activation energy is inversely proportional to the rate of reaction. I mean, fast reactions are having low activation energy values, and the slow reactions have high activation energy values. Now let's discuss how to determine activation energy of reaction. Now we know very well that Arrhenius equation is given as what? Log base 10 K is equal to log base 10 A minus EA upon 2.303 RT. Now this can also be given as log base 10K equals to minus EA upon 2.303 RT plus log base 10A. Now this is very important form, and remember this has a form of a linear equation, that is y equals to mx plus c. So this is supposed to be the y equals to m, that is EA minus EA upon 2.303 R, x is 1 by t plus this is c. So what happens? First of all, we need to determine the value of rate constant for reaction at different temperature. Remember, so value of K is determined at various temperature for a reaction. Now by knowing value of K, what we need to do? We need to plot log base 10K against the reciprocal of temperature. So when we do this, Arrhenius came to conclusion, we know very well that log base 10K will vary linearly with reciprocal of temperature. So this is supposed to be for log base 10K. When we plot this against the reciprocal of temperature, then a straight line is obtained as. Now if at all we calculate the slope of this, remember slope of this line comes what? Minus EA upon 2.303 R. So this is the slope. This is a very important thing to be noted. So what? When log base 10K is plotted against reciprocal of temperature, then a slope of line is minus EA upon 2.303 R. So by using this, one can easily determine the energy of activation. So this is very first way to calculate activation energy. And remember, secondly, Arrhenius equation at two different temperatures is. So what is Arrhenius equation at two different temperature? Log base 10 K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. So this is the Arrhenius equation at two different temperature. Now in order to measure activation energy, we should know all the parameters. I mean value of K2, K1, R, T2, T1. So by knowing these values, one can easily determine the activation energy. In this way, activation energy of reaction can be determined conveniently. Thank you very much.